All right, determining a p-value allows you to see if the comparison of your data, all right, and this is if you're comparing to your null hypothesis, and to see if there's any significant difference which exists, or if that null or no significance and difference exists between the compared data that you're comparing. All right, and we're going to do this in Excel in just a minute. But before then, we'll do a couple. You might want to scratch pad out. We already identified that the mean is another word for mathematical average. So, for example, the mean of this listing of numbers here is 4.88. Raise your hand if you understand the process of how that mean was generated. Okay. All right, so let's test this one out. Which number here, okay, or which letter, A, B, C, D, all right, is closest to the mean of these numbers?
1.5, 5, 5.
Amy, I see your hand up. Do you have a question? Okay. All right, good. The answer is B, which I think everybody had noted in the chat box. All right, now let's reflect on standard deviation. If you take a mean and both add and subtract a standard deviation, you'll know a particular percentage of the responses occurring within that range. Now, if we try to make this scale higher, okay, this picture a little bit greater, larger in size, and I'm sure I can do that here, you'll see that there, in a belt normal distribution, you'll see that there is 34% on either side